Ready to launch your dream website? Let's build it with Namecheap and WordPress, step by step. First, let's get your web address. Head over to Namecheap and use their domain search to find an available domain name for your website. Once you've found the perfect one, add it to your cart. Next, choose a hosting plan that fits your needs. For beginners, Namecheap's Stellar Business Plan is a fantastic starting point. It's affordable and comes with plenty of resources. Complete the checkout process for your domain and hosting. After purchasing, you'll land in your Namecheap account. Look for the web hosting section and click on the Manage button for your new hosting plan. Now, the magic happens. Find the app's installer or a similar icon, often powered by Softaculous. This is where we'll install WordPress with just a few clicks. Click on the WordPress icon. You'll be guided through a simple setup. Enter your website's title. Choose a secure username and password for your WordPress admin area. Make these memorable and strong. Confirm your domain. Select the directory, usually the root directory. Leaving it blank is best for a primary site. And click the install button. In just a moment, WordPress will be ready. And just like that, WordPress is installed on your Namecheap hosting. You'll see a confirmation with your website's URL and your WordPress admin login address. Now, all that's left is to start customizing your amazing new website.